Hi, Zachary. Can you talk to Mama? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Well, what are you doing? Zachary, are you looking at Pee-wee and Ranger? Oh, yeah, she's loud, huh? Zachary, are you so excited you're in your bumbo? Are you so excited? Say hey. Check me out. I'm sitting up like a big boy. Hi, Zachy. Zachary. You checking out your feet some more? Well, what do you think about them? Huh? What else? What else? Oh, yeah? And then what happens? Can you tell Mama some more? Huh? Oh, you like your feet. Is that right? You like your feet? Hey, buddy. Where are you going to go? Is this your throne? Well, where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to go?